What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add breadcrumbs to your WordPress website using Astra WordPress theme for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on your browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, enter with credentials, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over appearance and hit the submenu customize. Once on customize, wait while the page loads and move to one of your blog posts. It's a tip for you so you can see the results actually happening, okay? So let's go to blog and let's find out one of our posts. Here is a single post template. I know I have to change the menu colors and other things, but I'm saving this for another tutorial. After, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over general. Click on it, and then the first option gonna be breadcrumb. First thing, you have to choose the header position. It can be inside, after, or before title. Up to you, okay? I like the option that is before title. Or after. Let's give it some time so the WordPress can be updated, and here we go. Let me just save the change. And here is the breadcrumb. Okay, it's inside, but I can move it to after. So we have the breadcrumb right here. Let me choose the before title option. That is the best one. For some reason the WordPress isn't updating, but no problem. Let's use the after option. Here is the breadcrumb. Okay, you have home, the category of the post, and the post title. Now let's play a bit with the colors. So let's move to the design option, background color, text color, separator color, content link color. The background can be white maybe, just like this. Up to you and to your needs, okay? Let's publish. I think like this is okay. Now that we have the design set, we can play with the symbols, okay? In the case that I want. We can change the position of the breadcrumbs. Normally it goes right here. And we can see options to display this into pages, okay? Home page, blog, search, archive, single page, single post, singular, 404 page, all up to you, okay? Or deselect all. After doing all the changes you want, all you have to do is save your change and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.